And now, new benefit, or I should say new dimension added to milk thistle. In a research article titled Milk Thistle Extract Silibin Reduces Self-renewal of Colorectal Cancer Stem Cells. Keep in mind I said stem cells. In the research, which was basically presented April 7, 2014 at the American Association for Cancer Research, the AACR meeting, what they did is they looked at groups of mice. And each group of mice, for example, they wanted to stimulate colon cancer. Well, and they have a control group of mice, and they have another group of mice which they give the milk thistle. Well, the milk thistle group of mice, the benefits were quite astounding. What they discovered is when they gave the milk thistle to the mice they're trying to stimulate the colon cancer with, it got down to reducing the stem cell proliferation of that cancer, which is important because chemo doesn't usually address the stem cells that create the cancers. And they discovered, in their words, was this. The results were clear. The mice given the Silibin showed less incidence of macrodinomas, indicative of colorectal cancer, whereas nearly all the mice in the control group developed the disease. The results indicate that Silibin feeding provided the mice with a protective effect. In addition, and this is their words, to demonstrating chemopreventive benefit of Silibin, the current study adds to our understanding of how Silibin offers this benefit. The answer to them was the milk thistle extract, Silibin, simply reduced the inflammation of the cancer cells in the colon, which were required to stimulate more cancer cells or stem cells. Now here's the unfortunate part. This is where you have to kind of take your own future into your own hands. They said that notoriously it is difficult to gain approval for clinical trials of chemopreventive agents due to the necessity of treating many, in which very few will actually ever develop the disease. So meaning you're probably not going to see it recommended for colon cancer itself. So discuss this with your doctor or your oncologist, and if you think milk thistle is worth a shot and doesn't interfere with any other medication you're taking, then go for it. Milk thistle's got an incredible safety track record, so something to think about. And thank you once again.